Hey, we're going to simplify a rational exponent expression here. So we're simplifying some exponents. This is a big old fraction. The top is 25 x squared y to the negative 12th. The bottom is 10 x to the 5th y to the 7th. So let's just see what we have here in common that we can combine. Well, 25 over 10 can be written as 5/2 if we like. And then we can combine our x's. We got x squared on top and x to the 5th on the bottom. So remember, if we're dividing exponents, we can subtract, if we're dividing terms, we can subtract their exponents. So that'll be x to the 2 minus 5. And then the last one over there, the y, is y to the negative 12 on top and y to the 7 on bottom. So again, we'll subtract exponents, so we'll have y to the negative 12 minus 7. So in cleaning that up a little bit, we'll have 5/2 x to the negative 3, y to the negative 19. Now, while that is certainly mathematically correct, it's not in the form we're going to leave it, because we said we never leave negative exponents on top. So we'll rewrite it with the 5 on top and the 2 on the bottom for the 5/2, and we'll move both of these negative exponents to the bottom. So on top we'll have 5, on bottom we'll have 2x cubed and y to the 19th, and that's the form it should be in. All right.